Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to comment photos on TikTok on Android. Alright, let's begin. Open the TikTok app on your Android device and choose any video. Tap on the comment icon to open the comments section. As of now, TikTok does not support adding static photos directly as a comment. When you tap comment, there is no option to attach a photo or video in the main comment area. However, there is a way to do it through replies. Select any comment on the video and tap Reply. Once the reply screen opens, look at the left side of the comment bar. You will see a video camera icon. Tap the camera icon and TikTok will give you two choices. You can either record a video reply or tap the icon in the lower right corner to select a photo from your gallery. This allows you to add a photo reply, but only as a response to someone else's comment. It's important to note that this feature is not yet available in all regions. It started rolling out in Egypt and is gradually expanding to more areas. So if you don't see the option yet, it might not be available in your region. So that's basically how you can comment photos on TikTok on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.